Hello everyone. So today I would like to present about WEKA applications based on my topic entitled Student Achievement Based on Their Performance During Exam in 2022. So firstly, before we begin with our exploration during using the WEKA, we must change our file from CSV file to ARFF. So let us take a look how to convert these datasets to become the ARFF file. At first, we go to the tools and then we press ARFF viewer. Then we click file, open, and then as we can see this on the screen, we have this kind of GUI. So let us search for our datasets. Actually, I already saved my dataset to ARFF, but I just want to show. Okay, there. I've already converted it into, but before we can have this, they have the original file entitled CSV file. So, so this one. So if we press this one, and then we can press open, and then we can see the viewer for ARFF before we converted into ARFF file. Next, after we converted our file from CSV file into ARFF files, we can search for missing values. So firstly, we click the Explorer. Then we go for Open File. Then we just bring back our datasets previously after we converted it. So this one. Then make sure this dataset already converted from CSV to ARFF. So we click open. So as we can see, this is our results. So if we want to find the missing values from the datasets, we click edit, and then we can see here we have our datasets based on different kind of attributes. So here we can see, as for example, number 3 and number 4, where the test preparation cost, or which are categorized by nominal attributes, they have none preparation, same as male from group A, also none. So this is the missing values for this dataset. Then after we find the missing values from the datasets from the random column, we can proceed to the remove noise by doing several steps. Okay, firstly we go to the choose, and then as you can see here, we have two folders, WEKA and filters. So we click filters, and then filters can be categorized into two categories, which are supervised and unsupervised. So we click unsupervised, and then as you can see here, they have two more folders, attribute and instance. So we click attribute, and then we search for remove. So we click the remove, and then as you can see here, we can see all the attributes based on their data from the datasets. Correlated attributed. So firstly we go to the select attributes, and then we click the choose button. And then as you can see here, there is several options. So we click the correlation attribute eval, which means evaluations, and then we can press yes, and then we press start. So here we can see the outcome from the attribute selection. So here we can identify the outputs based on rank attributes. For example, reading score, which have the highest rank, which is 0.9546, followed by math score 0.8026 and so on. Algorithm based on these WEKA applications. So the first algorithm that has been chosen for these datasets is K-mean and the variance. So at first we go to the clusters, we click cluster and then we click choose, and then as we can see here there is several options. So here we can see simple k-means, so we click simple k-means, and after we click the simple k-means, make sure we click start so that the results or the output will appear. So here, as you can see here, we can see the cluster output based on the datasets dbscan. But if we want to proceed to use the dbscan as our algorithm, we must go back to the main page. And then we go to tools, and then we can click the package manager here, so we can install the dbscan inside this package manager, so that dbscan will be applicable in the WEKA. So we can proceed here. So we go to cluster, and then we click choose, and then here I've already installed dbscan, so we just click dbscan and then we click start, and then here we can see unclustered instances is 1000. This is the total data from these datasets. So here we can see all of the data inside here applicable. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you and have a nice day.